Whether you're on the road or in the fields, we know that an engine failure is more than just a minor inconvenience. It means lost time and lost profits. And if it's a failure in your fuel system, you can be looking at thousands of dollars in repairs. At Highway and Heavy Parts, we care about getting you the best parts at prices that won't break the bank. Even the OEM dealers come to us for fuel systems. They know our parts are the highest quality and save them money. We could get those same quality parts and savings to you. Today, I'm talking through failures on common rail fuel injectors and how Highway and Heavy Parts can help you get your engine running sooner for less. There are a few things that can cause failures in common rail injectors, including ball seat erosion, nozzle erosion, solenoid coil winding shorting, and debris buildup. Perhaps the most common issue comes from fuel contamination. You may be wondering how contaminated fuel can cause such a big problem in your common rail fuel system. This is in part caused by how the system operates. A common rail fuel injection system works differently than conventional injectors. Your common rail injectors are connected to a high pressure rail that carries fuel to the injectors. The fuel is delivered in a constant pressure. This helps you get better fuel efficiency, improved emissions, and more power. With a conventional injector, the fuel may not have to be as clean, but they can't match the power you get from common rail injectors. But with that extra power, it's more important to ensure that your fuel that you use is clean. Even microscopic amounts of debris can cause damage in your injectors. That's because these injectors have a much tighter tolerances than injectors that have come before them. Before, a piece of dirt or debris may have passed through the older conventional system, exiting as exhaust. But now, with these newer common rail systems, that same debris can lead to injector failure. And that's not just one injector that's affected, because the way the common rail system is set up, if you have contamination in one injector, all of your components are impacted. So you can take the chance and replace just one injector if you want, but it's likely that the contamination is still in the system. If one injector was exposed to contamination, they all were, and you'll likely be looking at further repairs not too far down the road. Common rail systems are fairly new technology. Sometimes we'll get questions from customers who are wondering why none of their other machines are affected if they're using bad fuel. Often it's because their other equipment is older, and the fuel systems or filtration systems can handle more. We're talking about engines with conventional injectors, rotary or inline pumps. The common rail system really needs to be the cleanest, highest quality fuel. Highway and Heavy Parts has a huge inventory of quality fuel injectors, and our injectors cost you a fraction of what the OEM dealers charge for the same part. That's right, in a lot of cases, you're purchasing Bosch part from the dealer, the same Bosch part we supply. But with genuine Bosch injectors from Highway and Heavy Parts, you'll be paying a lot less than the dealer. And not only can we get you the quality parts you need, we can get it to you fast. You can get back to work sooner, stop losing money because your engine is down. Our team of experts know what you need to get your engine back up and running, even if you don't. We have the expertise to help you get all the parts you need to ensure your fuel system stays running smoothly. We won't just sell you one part. We'll make sure that you know what else you need to keep your engine operating at peak performance. If you're experiencing contamination, you'll probably want to do more than just replace an injector. We'll want to help you prevent further costly repairs down the road. We'll recommend the parts that you need, saving you time and money later on. Our mission is to take the risk out of buying diesel engine parts for our customers. So if you're looking for affordable OEM quality diesel engine parts with expert advice on the other end of the line, we're here to help. If you have any questions about common rail fuel injectors, you can call me or any of our other ASE certified parts techs at 844-447-1453. Or you can chat with us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. Be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button on YouTube and Facebook to stay up to date on all the news and information from Highway and Heavy Parts. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.